Alright, let's talk about customizing your tech. Specifically, the Amazon Fire TV Cube. If you're looking to add a personal touch and protect your device from minor scratches, the skin might be the way to go. Today, we're checking out a skin kit featuring a yellow and black chevron pattern. First things first, this is just a skin. The Amazon Fire TV Cube and its remote are not included. Make sure you already have the device before ordering this. The skin itself is matte laminated, which is a nice touch. It should offer some protection against everyday wear and tear, like those annoying little scratches that seem to appear out of nowhere. The print quality seems pretty good. The colors are vibrant and rich, and the chevron pattern is clean and well-defined. It definitely adds a pop of personality to the otherwise plain black cube. Application is key with any skin, and this one seems fairly straightforward. It's printed on high-quality removable vinyl, which is important. You want something that's going to stick well, but also be easy to remove without leaving a sticky residue behind. Nobody wants a gummy mess on their Fire TV Cube. The fact that it's removable also means it shouldn't void your warranty, which is always a plus. Ultimately, this skin is all about personalization. If you're tired of the standard look of your Amazon Fire TV Cube and want to make it unique to your style, this could be a great option. The yellow and black chevron is definitely eye-catching and adds a bit of flair. Just remember, it's primarily for aesthetics and minor scratch protection, not heavy-duty impact resistance. But if you're looking for a stylish and easy way to customize your Fire TV Cube, this skin is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.